Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make $4 per minute easily without any experience, with no any investment at all. So I want you to stick with me because this method is really powerful and you will love it. And hey, how do you expect to make money online if you're not even committed to watch the whole video? So by the end of this video you will learn how to sign up to get verified and how to earn money the right way. I will show you all the methods on how to make money with only one website, and it is completely for free. And also I will show you the entire process on how to make money on this website. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the multiple payment methods if you want to cash out your money, if you want to withdraw your money. So if you are interested in this type of content, just make sure to take a look at my YouTube channel. I put videos showing you different ways and different methods on how to make money online, on how to skip that 9 to 5 job and do whatever you want whenever you want. So this is my channel. I have a lot of videos showing you those methods, okay? So just make sure to take a look at it. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description. Today's website is pillowbux.com. Okay, you can sign up and have a new account and begin making money just by solving and playing captcha. You know how captcha looks like. You have to type in different numbers and alphabets, and you can do that as much as you want. So first of all, you have to click on create an account button here, and they will redirect you to another web page. So this is the web page which is the sign up process, and you have to put in your name, your email address, your password, and click on I am not a robot. If you have a referral code, that's great, okay? If you're not, so this is just optional. Once you do that, you will be redirected to another webpage, and this is your dashboard, okay? This is how your account looks like. So after signing up, once you will log in, this is how it looks like. This is my dashboard. You'll see here daily cash, only catcha, or sorry, daily catcha, only catcha, referrals, my wallet, withdraw, account, and logout. So basically on pillowbux.com there are two types of different catcha that you can solve and earn money. The first one is daily catcha, okay? You will be given 1 minute to encode catcha as many as you can, and each catcha you solve has corresponding cash value worth of $0.002, which is 20 times what you will get on only catcha, except that you have only 1 minute, okay? So you have to make sure to do your best on this 1 minute, okay? The second one is only catcha. In only catcha, it is exactly the same thing, except that you have unlimited catcha to do, but the value of one catcha is only $0.0001, which means that if you have like 30,000 good catcha, if you make like 30,000 great catcha, right catcha, you will make $5. And you can do that actually because catcha are not too difficult to do, okay? So those are the two types of catcha that you can find on this website. And about only catcha, you have unlimited amount of catcha, like I said before, which means that you can do them again and again, and you can make as much money as you want depending on your free time. So I'm going to show you exactly another extra tip to increase your earning, so make sure to keep on watching this video. So after finishing the daily catcha, you can go on and do this unlimited catcha solving. So I will click on this only catcha right now, okay? And just after clicking on this only catcha, they have a description, but I want to take a look at this, and they will move $5 to your balance once you complete 30,000 catcha, as I mentioned before. And not just that, but you can refer other people to the website, your friends, your family, or whoever might be, meaning that when you share this link, okay, this link that you have right here, they will click on it, and you will use the help of the other people, okay, your friends, your family, or whoever it might be, to make money. And just one advice: you need a good internet connection to avoid the loading time, and the more you do it, the more you become fast typer and a great keyboard warrior, okay? So this method is for people who want to make extra money. It is not gonna make you rich, but it's still a good way because it works in different countries. And I will show you another cool method to make money in a passive way, meaning that even if you're asleep, even if you're not doing anything, you're still gonna make money on this website. So let's go to the referral. So this is the referral, and this is the third way to make money on this website. For this one, you can make more money, meaning that when you refer someone, you will earn $1 when they finish solving the daily catcha. So I encourage you to share your referral link on blog posts, on guest posts, Facebook pages, send it to your friends on WhatsApp or whatever, and you can post it on Instagram, you can send it on messages, whatever you want. And another cool stuff is that you make 25% of what your referral is making. So if one of your referral made $10, for example, you're gonna make $2 for free, even if you are not doing anything. And this is the power of referrals or referral program in general. So let me show you the payment methods, meaning that when you make money, you can cash out on PayPal or Bitcoin or on Gcash. If you want to know more about that, you just click on withdraw. Okay, once you click on withdraw, you will see different methods if you want to withdraw your money. You don't have just PayPal or Bitcoin or Gcash, you have another methods, and the minimum threshold for PayPal, Bitcoin, and Gcash is $2. However, for the other withdrawal methods, for example, like Steam Wallet, Mobile Legend Diamonds, and Palawan Express, is $5. Okay, so and there is no fee to withdraw your money, guys. Okay, so this is completely for free. It's not fee. This is the minimum withdrawal is $2 and the fee is $0. So this website is legit, and I saw a lot of reviews about this, and I figured out maybe I just have to share it with my YouTube subscribers. So this is how it looks like, guys. I just want you to go out there and use or just try this website. It could be a great thing for you. So I decided to share it with you because it has a great value. So this is all for this video, guys. If you have any question, just make sure to put it in the comment section. If not, I wish you a good luck and a great day. So make sure to check my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Like always, thank you so much, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.